Hello everyone, this presentation will be on backorder in RapidMiner by Sam Philpott and Nicolas Perez. Backorder is when the company runs out of product. Why is it important to predict backorder? There are many reasons, but the most important are to reduce the cost of inventories, to measure customer satisfaction, and to prevent lost sales. There are two studies on backorders. One, and for FedEx, found that a backorder of 20% could cost the company about $2.6 million. And therefore, bad prediction on backorder has a big impact on profit. The other study found that to deal with impatient customers, those who refuse to place a backorder, an auction mechanism is preferred. And for example, when people used to buy CDs, if you were a fan member of a group, the record store would sell first the CD to you and then to the public. But in order to get the CD, you have to pay a fee for the fan member group. The data comes from Kaggle.com. It has 22 attributes, one target variable, which is backorder, and the training set has approximately 24 million records, and the test dataset 5 million records. And the following attribute could be specific to the organization from where the data was taken. So there is no clear definition on these attributes. Because we have the target variable, which is when on backorder, and we're going to use the supervised learning model. And we're going to perform the test on 3 modeling techniques using RapidMiner. For data processing, we clean the data from 9 attributes and remove 1. Blank cells were removed as rows on the attribute lead time, and 2 attributes have cells with value -99. They were replaced by the median, which were the attribute performance for 6 months and the attribute performance for 12 months. And 6 attributes were categorical with a yes and no, and we changed them to dummy variables. The stock number for the product was removed, since it will not give us any insight into our target variable. We ran an Excel correlation and we set up the correlation at 80%. And after the running of the correlation, we found that sales and forecasted sales were highly correlated. And on your right, you're going to see the 10th attribute highly correlated, and underneath you're going to see 6 attribute with low correlation. If you see the matrix of Excel, you can see that all the high correlated values are highlighted in red. As I said before, we know the target variable, which is when on backorder, and therefore we're going to build a supervised learning model. For this, we're going to use decision tree, naive Bayes, and neural net. Some will guide us throughout the model so we can see which one gives us the best result.